Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, body color door handles, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, passenger vanity mirror, power driver seat, cloth seat trim, front bucket seats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.